Welcome back to my channel. How we're doing, everyone? My name is Beth and I'm here with a new subscription box. I hope everyone's having a fine day, and it is called Medusas subscription box. So it is makeup and I am so thrilled to show you this. So okay, now I'm going to show you this subscription box, showing my address here. Alright, so I'm going to open it up, and this is a new box. One of my subscribers, not subscribers, but people that I watch, is from the UK, and she showed this, and I was like, yes, I have to get this. And look at how adorable this is. Really, really cute. So this is really interesting, and I got the card that shows what everything is. And say, oh, cool, VIP birthday box is coming in August. 4 full-size products exclusive to, oh, a birthday box is, save the date. VIP birthday box coming this August. Really cute. Now the first thing I'm going to show you is eyeshadow. It's called Glam Rock eyeshadow. So, and I'm going to show you this at first, and then we're going to try it on. So I'm liking this. It's all this cool stuff. Let's see what this Glam Rock eyeshadow looks like. So if you're new to my channel, I'm Beth, and I love doing different kind of videos, and I have some new type of videos coming about. I'm going to try to develop a second channel for that, but it'll be something new. But ooh, this is pretty. Very, very pretty. Glam Rock. Ooh, really gorgeous. Like that. I might have to try that on for you all. Gorgeous. Make it a my hands. So that is an eyeshadow. That is cute. This is a highlight, and this is all cruelty free, vegan. Ooh, this is a highlight. Oh, it's a powder. Okay. Where's the little... Okay, I'm going to have to figure out how to open this. Oh, maybe I got it. It's one of these highlighters with the loose highlighter. Oh, shoot. We're going to make a mess out of it. It comes in this little... And it's a powdered... I never had a powdered highlighter like this. Interesting. See, it comes like this, and ooh, with the highlighter. Really, really cute. So we're gonna try that one too. So I'm gonna try some of these on for you. Really, really pretty, and it's very convenient too in this little. So that is in. Ooh, look at Witch Lash. This is cruelty free, and it's mascara, and it comes in this cute packaging. Ooh, look at this. And it's blue. How amazing this is. Very interesting. I never used blue mascara before. Little punky rock. Really, really cool. And the last thing in the box is a metal RF lip gloss. So let's see what this is all about. I just love different things, and it's just fun. Ooh, this is like a grayish. Ooh, it's like a gray. Very nice. So let's go ahead, and all this was very reasonable. It's like $21, $22 or something like that. but I'll put it down in the description box. But really, really cute. And I'll put all my stuff. Alright, so for the eyeshadow, I'm gonna put some on for you. I want to show you. I'm gonna get closer. So let's see what this looks like on. Very curious. Oh, very light. It's a very light sheer color. So this will be good. Very light color. So this is great for the ooh, I love this. Great for the summer. Something sheer. Ooh, I'm liking this. So that's that. And I'm just going to try a little bit of this. Shake it out like this so it can get in there. Alright. So I got a whole bunch on here. I don't know how it's going to look. But just say we want to put it on here. Oh, shoot. Okay. It's a little bright for the... I put a little too much, I think, on there. But with the blush, I don't have blush on or anything. I'm just showing you. Not really. I put a lot on that. Let's try a little bit like on the eye. Oh, yeah. I'm kind of liking it as like more of an eyeshadow-ish. Oh, look at this. Look at this. This is a glow. See? Look at how it glows. So, I'm just putting it on. I'm not being technical about it. But holy cannoli. This shines. I think I would use it more of underneath the eye, or maybe, you know, just to highlight your eyes. But I really like this. Putting it on my cheeks is a little, I think, too bright for me. But I really like this. Let's try the mascara. See how that looks. I got light lashes. Let's see. I'm not seeing too much. Well, it looks bolder than I thought it would be. Because I thought it would be like really stand out. You know, which I could wear this to the office. I thought maybe it would be too bright. I like it. It's pretty subtle. Really cool. Different. And the last thing that I'm going to try is this grayish lip gloss. I like this. I feel like interesting. to put a few coats to make it brighter. You know, this is great for the younger crowd. I mean, the older crowd, some people would wear it, like me. I don't see too many, but I'm the exception. Ooh, I like that. Really cool colors. And what I like about this box, it's something that you normally wouldn't see. You know, it's different, which I like. It's like the witch casket that I get. It's from the UK. It's really cool. I think maybe this is from the, let me check really quick. Let me see if this is from, I thought it maybe it would be from, oh, I'm sorry. This is from Chicago. So it is from the US, but I never heard of it, and I just think it's fun. And next month is the birthday box, and of course I'm already locked in. I already am going to get that. But yeah, a lot of these are really, really cute, and it's a value of $44, which this alone could be like $20-something easy in a store. So that is it. That is in my July Medusa box. It is definitely really cool, different. Yeah, I can't wait till the next month for the birthday box. But I'm going to put everything in the description down below. And as always, thank you for supporting me. Thank you for being here with me. And as always, love you all. Remember, just thumbs up if you like this video. And see you on the next one.